touched the walls of a city streets and didn't explain, sadly showed us our ways. I've never asked him why.